Want custom XML product feeds for marketplaces or analytics? Here's how to generate them easily in WooCommerce. First, install the custom Product XML Feeds for WooCommerce plugin from WPFactory. Upload the zip and click Install Now. Then activate. Go to WooCommerce, Product XML Feeds. Enable the plugin and set how many feeds you need. Click Add New Feed. Start with the template header and item. Set XML path and auto-update schedule. Choose sorting and basic include or exclude filters. Pick product types, scope, stock, and price range. Target attributes or custom meta like brand or on sale. Define variation items and the XML footer if needed. Optionally, hide empty tags or create a text feed. Save changes and generate the XML. Your custom XML feed is ready for marketplaces, apps, or integrations. For the full step-by-step guide, check the article on WPFactory. Links below.